Hi, I'm Iris. I'm 21 years old. I'm from China. I'm currently studying mechanical engineering at Cornell University in the United States.
Hi, I'm Alyssa. I'm 19 years old and I am from New Jersey in the United States, and I also study at Cornell and I'm pursuing a major in electrical and computer engineering. I really enjoyed my experience. I think it's a very unique opportunity to get to work in a workshop setting with real impacts on the community. And we came here specifically to test out this prototype, electronic prototype that we made. And it was really fun interacting with the engineers, translators, the other volunteers. It was super fun.
And also I think specifically for although we are in different majors, we can collaborate together in one project to see how the interdisciplinary works in one big project. And we also get a lot of hands-on experience to actually know how different kind of machine works, how to calibrate them, how to read them, how they actually work from the manuals. Yeah. I really like Trujillo here as a city because one thing stand out to me is it's quite different from the city I stay in the United States, because this city is pretty walkable. I can basically just walk anywhere I want. And also there are a lot of pastry shop where I can get different kind of bakery, and they are all sort of the taste which I will like. So I really like living here.
Definitely adding on to Iris, the food is amazing here. We love going to the fruit market to get a bunch of different fruit.
I think definitely I totally agree with what Alyssa says. Anyone who has a passion for the renewable energy, like solar panel, and wind energy, and also contribute to community who don't have access to this kind of clean energy. We really hope to see you in Trujillo here at Peru.
We hope you will get involved with WindAid and all their fun activities.